Hello, and thank you for viewing this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick overview of Midex Time Control version 3. To start, load Midex Time Control in your favorite browser by going to www.midextimecontrol.com. Enter your organization login, user login, and password. Then click on the login button to get started. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using Enterprise Edition. Some of the modules or functionality may not be accessible if you've signed up for a different edition. After you log into your account, you will see the following layout. At the top, we have a list of all modules in the program available in the edition that you have signed up for. Simply click on the module name to open it. Depending on the size of your computer screen, you may see fewer or more modules displayed. Whatever does not fit on the screen can be accessed through the drop-down menu on the right. On the left, we have an employee tree. All your employees are grouped into companies, departments, and optionally sub-departments. You can open or close each group by clicking on the plus or minus sign to the left of the company or department. Above the tree, we have a search field. You can quickly find an employee by the first name, last name, or by employee ID. As soon as you enter the text, you will see a drop-down with all employees matching the search criteria. Click on the employee you are searching for to have that employee automatically selected for you. Under the gear icon, you have an option to change the sorting of your employees or choose to see inactive employees. All modules contain different information. However, they all follow similar layout. For example, I have Companies module open. You can see a grid with all companies in my organization. At the top, we have a toolbar, which contains menu options for this module. Most modules contain an Add button at the right corner of the toolbar to add a new record. Some modules, such as Shift Schedule, may contain an additional drop-down menu with additional menu options. In general, whenever you see a button with 3 dots, it means there is a drop-down menu when your mouse cursor hovers over it. Whenever you see a grid, such as one under Companies module, each data row contains an Edit button on the left, which will allow you to edit the specific record. On the right, you will see either a Delete button to delete this record, or a drop-down menu with additional options as we see one in Departments module. To summarize, to add a record, press an Add button in the toolbar menu. To edit record, click an Edit button to the left of the record you want to edit, and to delete, click on Delete button or select Delete from the drop-down menu. Some grids have a plus sign to the left of the Edit button. This means that each record contains an additional information if you expand it by clicking on the plus icon. As you can see in this example, under Accounting Department, we have 2 sub-departments which can also be edited or deleted. Whenever we add or edit a record, at the top you will see Save and Cancel buttons. The Save button will not be enabled until all mandatory fields are entered or some changes are made to the existing record. The record may contain more than one section, which can be viewed by clicking on its header. Some of the controls have a right-click menu option. For example, you can right-click on a company in the employee tree to edit the company or to add another department. If I right-click on the department, I can edit this department or add an employee. Under Shift Schedule, you can right-click on the calendar to add a quick shift to the time slot you clicked on. More right-click menu options to various controls will be added as we continue enhancing the software. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and make sure you view our other tutorials about each individual module.